Hi, in this video I'm just about to show you how I made this variable power supply. When it comes to powering up the different type of gadgets in my house, I need different type of power supply to power up each one of them in different volts. And I have lots of power supply that I want to get rid of them. So I had few buck converter laying around, and I thought like I can make a variable power supply, and all my gadget mainly requires 3 to 9 volts, and I can just use a 12 volt power supply to power up all this stuff. So first thing I did, I removed the potentiometer from my buck converter, and then simply solder 3 pieces of wire, and I put a different potentiometer, so I just needed to extend it and print basically make an enclosure for it, so it's nice to have a nice knob to basically control the voltage. So after soldering the 3-piece wire to the potentiometer, what I did, I just cut a 12 volt 2 amps power supply and simply connect the end comes from power supply to the input of my buck converter, and then after soldering that end, I connect up the voltmeter and the DC jack to other end. Just measure with a multimeter to see if the display works. It shows the correct reading, and I would say the reading is pretty decent, is accurate. So you can just simply buy that buck converter with the display on it. But again, first of all, I want to make a enclosure for that, so I need to take that display away from the board and also put a different potentiometer on. A part of that, I had these parts laying around, so it was convenient for me to just make a good use out of them and make something. So after setting up everything, I just placed the part in the 3D printed enclosure and simply tied them down in place, and here it is. That's how it looks. It varies. I can change the voltage between 1.5 all the way to 8 something, 8.5 volts, but when it goes below 2.5 or 2 volts, the display goes off. Also, I bought a this is a 5.5 universal adapter for DC plug, so I can now power up any gadget I have from Arduino. No problem, just put it on, works fine. Simply I can power up my old devices that has different type of plugs. And this one is a 6 volts. Basically I use this to monitor my blood pressure. It works. Yeah, it works nice. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.